Alright guys, I'm back with this Impala. Welcome back. In this video I want to program this key. I bought it online. I'll send you the link. This one has a chip in there, and this is our original one right here. It's supposed to be fairly easy to program. You're supposed to push this key in the ignition, hold it for like 5 seconds, take it out, put this one in, and it should be done. So let's try it, see if it's true or not. I don't know. Start it up. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And within 5 seconds, we gotta put this key on. No way, it worked. It worked. It was so easy. Chevy, unbelievable. So now we have our key that works. So now we have this key that I bought it on Amazon, and it works. Push it in here, and it starts the car. How easy is this? It's Chevy. Amazing. Now we're gonna program something else. And now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm gonna program this fob. This is the original fob, and this one is aftermarket that I bought online. Looks identical. We already programmed this key, so now let's program the fob. So first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the key in the ignition, turn the car onto the on position, and then there's this check mark here, and make sure you push this check mark until it says a learn remote key, and then hit this button right here. Hit it, and then these two, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. And that's it, and it works. So let's try it again. Let's unlock the car, lock, and everything works. It's so easy to work on this car. I love this Chevy. It's so easy. Why can't Toyota do something like that simple? You can do it yourself. Like, we went to the key store, the locksmith, they cut the key, and look, it works. This is the aftermarket one. See? Super easy. You know, everything works. The fob works. Lock, unlock, open the trunk. Now, one thing, once you have this key in the ignition, and then you press to learn to, this check mark, and then on the new remote, you're holding these two buttons. You want to program it. You hear the sound beep, beep. Now go back to the old remote. Also press these two buttons and hold them, beep, beep, beep. Because what happens if you don't do this, you program the new one, but then the old one will be deactivated. So this is a mistake that I did. So go through the steps, hold the buttons, beep, beep, and then go back to the one that's in the ignition. Hold these two buttons, and that's it. So this is our new remote. I hit lock, and this is our old remote. I hit unlock. You see, everything works. Now the trunk, it pops the trunk. The trunk is open. Very easy, guys, and you can do it yourself.